Hi guys, what's up? It's Molly. Welcome back to my fitness channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I went shopping at Trader Joe's and Stop and Shop, which is just like a local grocery store. So I have a little bit of everything in this video and I'm excited to share it with you guys. There's definitely some new items because I'm filming a couple of videos where I am eating like certain popular people, whether it's models or influencers and stuff like that. So I got like things that are not normally in my grocery hauls, which is why I thought it would be just like more interesting for you guys as opposed to seeing like the same exact things that I always get. So I guess let's just get started because I have a lot of stuff to go through. So the first thing I got is just 2 bananas. I'm not really much of a banana person, but I've been trying to get into them. So I just got 2 for it now because I know that if I got more, I would just unfortunately let them go to waste. Pineapple is my fave fruit, so I of course had to get some of this. It's so expensive, but it tastes so good. I'm excited to have this with like some yogurt. Oh my god, like yogurt, granola, a little bit of honey. Unreal. So I'm trying something new. I don't know if this is gonna be good. I'm gonna put it in the freezer right after I show you guys. It's the Halo Top lemon cake ice cream. That's what it looks like. I know this isn't for everyone, probably not many people at all, but I like lemon flavored things a lot. Like, I don't know, I just like citrusy things. So I thought that I would give this a try. I've never heard anybody talk about it ever. Probably because not a lot of people would prefer like lemon ice cream, but I am in the minority there. The camera's having a tough time focusing, but I got 3 tomatoes. Okay, these right here are my obsession. I have so many in my fridge, but just like different flavors and stuff. But I found this flavor, or I tried it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think this is the best one. Like, I like the s'mores one, I like the cookie dough, I like the cookies and cream a lot. I'm trying to think of what else I like. I like all of them, pretty much. It's the Chobani flip yogurts. Guys, these are like my guilty pleasure late at night. I always have one of these while I watch like trashy reality TV. It's just like, it's a part of me. If I can focus there, yeah, the key lime crumble is unreal. If you like key lime yogurt, you will love that. Next thing I got is some oat milk. This brand is actually pretty decent. Stop and Shop sadly doesn't sell the Oatly brands, but this one, Planet Oat or whatever, Planet Oat makes pretty good oat milk, and I like to add that into my coffee and my oatmeal, so I had to get some of that. Then the last thing that I got in that bag is some sliced dried peaches. I don't know, I've just really been craving peaches lately. They're like my favorite fruit, but they're not like in season right now, so I decided I would try some of these sliced dried peaches and see how they taste. On to the next bag. I'll do Trader Joe's after I do Stop and Shop. I thought that these sounded good. These are the Popcorners spicy queso little chips, and they're like healthier for you than like, I don't know, just like a regular potato chip. So I don't know, I like anything spicy, you guys know, so I just figured I'd give that a try. This is not healthy, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I'm becoming like a coffee creamer reviewer, if you will. What's the word? What is the like? A coffee creamer critic, because I love coffee creamer and it's my passion. I tried the Funfetti one that Coffee Mate makes, that if you guys didn't know they make like a Funfetti one, I'll get it right now. Here it is right here. This is the Funfetti one, and I rated it like a 7.5 out of 10. It wasn't really like the best, but it wasn't the worst. It was good. It just wasn't like, oh my god, this is amazing. It kind of tastes like frosting, but I heard that this one is better, and this is also new. It's the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Creamer. So I'm gonna review this and see how it goes. Yeah, you guys know coffee creamer is like my one thing that it's unhealthy, and I have fun with it, and that's like my one thing that I'm like, okay, I can go full force unhealthy with this thing, but then like everything else, let's like do it more so in moderation. But I will never give up coffee creamer. That's just the way life goes. I got some clementines. Aren't clementines in season in the winter, I'm pretty sure, so I got a bag of those because they just sounded good. I don't know, I love having a couple of those before the gym or something. Perfect. These I love, the Steve's organic ice cream teas, but this flavor in particular is the best one. It's blueberry pomegranate Oh my goodness, it tastes so good, and it's just like a good pick-me-up to have throughout the day. I got more honey because I don't know where my honey went in the middle of the move and everything, and I feel like I like to add that to oatmeal and toast, and what else did I say? Yogurt, just like a lot of things. I've been craving pickles recently. I don't know why, but got some pickles because like I said, I've been craving them. I just go through phases where all I think about is like eating a pickle, and then I eat one and then I like don't want any more for like 6 months. But I'm in a pickle craving phase right now, so I picked up a jar of those. I got some new yogurt. So guys, this one is plain Greek yogurt with only 2 grams of sugar per serving, which is really good because like those chobani ones, although they're amazing, they have a lot of sugar in them. Not as much as like a lot of other brands do, but they still have a lot. That's why I consider it like my guilty pleasure at the end of the night. This one is more for like every day in the mornings to have because it's a little bit better for you. Okay, we're almost done with this bag. I got 1 red onion. I got a bunch of mini potatoes. I love mini potatoes for like everything, especially because I have a new obsession, you guys know, with the air fryer. And anytime I put these in the air fryer, they just taste so much better. They taste like literal French fries. So had to get more potatoes. And then the very last thing that I got from Stop and Shop is 1 jalapeno pepper. When I rang it out, it was like 13 cents. I was like, awesome. Everything that I got from Stop and Shop, and now we're going to move on to Trader Joe's. So, you guys, I felt like a mad woman in Trader Joe's. I didn't know where anything was. I went down every aisle like 17 times because I only shop there like once every 2-3 months. So I was just like a chicken with my head cut off. I did not know what was what. I felt like an idiot. Does anybody else feel like that when they go in there? Because like it is always so busy, and I was overwhelmed. But anyways, I got 3 little greens. I got the Power to the Greens. This has baby kale, baby red chard, baby spinach, baby collard greens, baby minzuna, and frise. Honestly, I don't know. I just felt like stepping out of my comfort zone and getting a new type of green. This one is back to basics, the organic chopped romaine lettuce. I like getting it pre-chopped because it makes life so much easier. I hate cutting up lettuce. And then the last thing that I got was some baby spinach. You can add spinach into literally anything. Eggs, smoothies, anything that you're cooking, you could add spinach into. That's savory, of course. Don't add it into like your oatmeal, but you can add it into pretty much anything and you won't taste it. So I love spinach. Ooh, these are fun. I got the butternut squash zigzags. If you guys watch a lot of fitness YouTubers, you might be able to guess who I'm going to be eating like for the day. But yeah, I'm excited to try these because I love butternut squash. Okay, I was on the hunt for the Trader Joe's truffle alfredo sauce that I see everybody talking about, but my Trader Joe's did not have it. I asked like 3 employees. Nobody knew what I was talking about. I was like, am I going insane? Like, I couldn't find a picture of it, so then I just felt like I was like making something up. But anyways, they showed me this that's like pretty similar. It's the mushroom medley alfredo sauce. So it's like pretty much the same thing. I don't really know what the difference is between that one and the truffle one, but I hope that that one's good. I will let you guys know in a video very soon. I also got 2 of the beefless ground beef. So I heard that this is like thebomb.com. It's basically fake meat, but I heard that it has a lot of protein in it. Yeah, it has 9 grams of protein per serving, which is a lot. I hope you guys are all good. I ran out of storage for a quick second there, but we're back. So let's keep going. I got some strawberries. Yay! I normally don't get that much fruit, but I was just feeling like strawberries, clementines, pineapples, like that sounds really good to me right now. Something very out of my comfort zone, you guys. I do not normally cook or eat Brussels sprouts, but I just decided to go for it. So I got a bag of Brussels sprouts. I feel like I always see people getting Brussels sprouts at Trader Joe's. These are one of my favorite things, you guys. They sell them at Trader Joe's. I don't know where else they sell them. That's why I'm saying that they sell them at Trader Joe's, because I don't really see these anywhere else. It's the Honey Mama's brand, nibs and coffee. Oh my God. This is the best dessert you will ever have. It tastes so good, you guys. They're like sweet and they're paleo. They're actually like good for you. Like they're not like awful ingredients or anything. And I don't even know what to describe it as to taste like. It's super rich and just like 10 out of 10. And then the last thing that I got in this bag is some celery hearts. yeah. Again, you might be able to guess who I am going to be eating like for a day by this, but yeah, I'm really nervous about that one. Oh, one more bag. I got 3 avocados. They're all in here somewhere, but here's 2 of them. Let me see if I can find the third. Nope. I got 2 Power Crunch bars. These are so good. This brand of like protein bars, guys, they taste like, it's like the texture of a Kit Kat. I got some sourdough bread because I am now addicted to sourdough bread. It's so good. Another Trader Joe's thing, I got their coconut aminos. This is supposed to be like a healthier soy sauce. So I'm excited to try that because I've had it before in my fridge, but I never ended up using it. So I need to try it. I got some more almond butter. This is just their no salt added, if it'll focus, no salt added almond butter, creamy. Yeah, pretty basic. I really needed new coffee grounds, so I decided to try this one out from Trader Joe's. I like the packaging on it. It's the Trader Joe's French Vanilla Coffee, medium dark roast. Ooh, I normally get light roast, but I guess I'm gonna step out of my coffee comfort zone. So yeah, I'm gonna have this probably later on today because I haven't had any coffee yet today, believe it or not, and it's already the afternoon, so that is not acceptable. Okay, we have a couple more things that I need to show you guys. I got the organic red lentil pasta. I don't know. Once I went into like the chickpea pasta and I didn't mind it at all, I decided I would start stepping out of my comfort zone with my pastas. Here's the other avocado, finally. All right, I got 2 seasonings. So I've had the onion salt before. I know Fab loves this one, so I wanted to pick up another one for him because we ran out a little while ago, and that's like really good. They don't sell this everywhere. I feel like only Trader Joe's makes it, and it's just so good. And then the other seasoning that I got is the 21 seasoning salute. 21 seasoning salute. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But I heard that this was really good. Just like add to pretty much everything. So we'll see how that goes. I love Trader Joe's seasonings. They have like so many to choose from. And they're just so fun, you know? It's like, it's fun to get some new exciting things. That's why I like going to Trader Joe's once in a while, because I always get like these new random things to try. This is not something new. This is my all-time favorite hot sauce, you guys, from Trader Joe's. They just make it in such a small bottle. It makes me so sad because I could go through like one of these a week. It's the jalapeno pepper hot sauce. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know how to describe the difference of a taste with it. It just is so good, and it's really actually very spicy. So if you like spicy stuff, I highly recommend that. I have just like 2 more things to show you guys. This isn't that exciting. I just got some minced garlic. You can see we ran out, so we need some more of that because we use garlic for like literally everything that we cook. Again, this has to do with a certain YouTuber. I got some organic liquid stevia. It'll focus. So I guess you're supposed to just like take a couple drops of this and squeeze it into stuff, and it'll make it sweeter, but like a healthier way because there's no calories in it or anything. I don't know, this is new for me too, you guys. It's all a learning process, but wow, that is everything that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. From now on, I think I'm gonna start doing grocery hauls on my Instagram, like IGTV, because I feel like that could be fun, or maybe just like do every other one on IGTV and then some on here. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, my Instagram is mollybaileypr. Make sure to go follow me on there just because you get to see like day-to-day stuff rather than just like videos once in a while. Make sure to go follow me over there. Make sure to also subscribe here if you guys are new. Thank you so much. There's so many new people subscribing to this channel, which I greatly appreciate. So make sure to subscribe if you guys are new. Also thumbs up this video because it really helps me out and helps YouTube like push my video out there, so I would greatly appreciate that. But I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon.